This 5-minute barbecue sauce ruins every store-bought bottle. It's a copycat version of Sweet Baby Ray's, but even better. I'm Johnny Mac, and this is the Sauce and Gravy channel. So stop buying barbecue sauce, and let me quickly show you step by step how to make it. Begin with 1 cup of ketchup. Next up to bat, 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. Great BBQ sauce is balanced, sweet, tangy, and smoky. Most fail because they lean too sweet and forget the acid. 1/4 cup of light brown sugar firmly packed. To that, you'll add 2 tablespoons of molasses. Molasses is the secret. It's what gives homemade barbecue sauce recipes that deep, rich, slightly smoky sweetness you recognize from store-bought bottles. Next up, 2 tablespoons of honey. And as you can see, these barbecue sauce ingredients are very readily available. You should have most of them at home, so it's an easy sauce just to whip up on the fly. To that, you'll add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Then you'll add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. I'm using hickory smoke flavor. And there are a few reasons why this backyard barbecue sauce recipe is one of my favorites. First, it tastes great. Second, it's very easy to make. And third, it goes with a wide variety of foods. And finally, you'll add your spices. 1 teaspoon of hot smoked paprika and 1/2 teaspoon of the rest. That's onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. This Sweet Baby Ray's copycat recipe is a great example of a Kansas City style barbecue sauce. It's a sweet, smoky barbecue sauce with a touch of tang. Round up a whisk, mix it all together. You may be curious as to why some store-bought grilling sauces just seem to taste flat. Well, it's because they're loaded with preservatives that mute the flavor. Homemade hits brighter, sharper, and way more fresh. Once it's well combined, turn your heat to medium, bring it to a light simmer, don't bring it to a boil, then you can reduce the heat to low and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Cooking it for 5 minutes is good enough to bloom the flavors, dissolve the sugar, and make a well-rounded barbecue sauce. However, if you want it really thick, you can reduce it for roughly 10 minutes. So now it's starting to come to a light simmer. I'm going to turn down the heat to low. Stir frequently. After a quick 5 minutes, you've got this, a delicious, homemade Sweet Baby Ray's copycat sauce, but better. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. Woo! You're gonna love this. Sweet, smoky, tangy. Woo! That's good. Pour it into a glass container and let it rest for 10 minutes and then you can dive in. This sauce goes really well with pork, especially ribs. You can knock out some chicken, dip some tenders in it, throw it on a burger, dip some fries in it. Why not? You can't go wrong with it. It's a well-rounded barbecue sauce that you can make in minutes. Before you go, I want to give you a quick thanks. If you enjoy these recipes and want a little more, I do have channel memberships now. Members will have early access to videos as well as printable step-by-step written recipes. It's totally optional, but it's a great way to support the channel as well as cook along with me more closely. I'll put links below the video in the description section and comment section. All right, let's eat. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. Hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and hype it up. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.